and welcome to my channel. Today I received this Violet Voss, the Rainbow Eyeshadow Palette. So it's on my eyes right now. I will be putting a tutorial up on how I did that. I only used this palette as well. I didn't use anything else. Well, apart from the eyelashes and the eyeliner, if you want to get technical with it all. But anyway, when I opened it, I thought, wow, this palette is so pretty. And it really is pretty. It's like so pretty. You get your Flamingo, Peach, Buttercup, Seafoam, Fiji, Eclipse, Pearl, Violet, Indigo and Royal. And I did like try them on my fingers and stuff, and I will try and swatch them somewhere on me. We'll see what they look like, but I mean they are really pretty and they blend quite well. Might take a little bit with the, like I said, the blue. Like in my tutorial I said the blue, it need to take a little bit more, but so pretty. So let's swatch some of these. So Fiji, this is gorgeous. It's like a teal blue, but oh my god, look at that, it's so pretty. And I'll just swatch that there. I mean, wow, come on, that is gorgeous. Another one I really like is this pearl, and this pearl is weird because it's like white but it's got gold colour in it. And oh my god, oh, you can't see it properly on there, but it's pretty. I swear it's pretty. And we'll swatch Buttercup, like a gold colour. I think you got tattoos, you ain't got much skin to swatch anything. And then we'll swatch Indigo. Still out there. Like I said, you can see they are beautiful. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this palette. I think it's great. Colours are great. Sometimes you get coloured palettes that are not so great, but this one is beautiful. They're really metallic-y colours. They are gorgeous, so I really recommend this. So thank you for watching this. If you really liked it, please give me a like, comment if you want, subscribe to me if you like me, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video.